You're watching Guido's Killer Cars. Today we are opening the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious Lamborghini LM002. This is car number 2 out of 5. This car was manufactured in 2024. He's ready to go off-roading with these wheels. Check out that badging. Nice lights. It's even got a spare. Again, this is the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious Lamborghini LM002, car number 2 out of 5. As always, thanks for watching. Please remember, hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And if you really feel like it, don't hesitate to leave me a comment.